Good afternoon. Welcome to Jim Munley's World of Weather. You clicked on to long-range weather forecast discussion for November 13th to the 30th. For November 16th to 20th, we have a trough here in the east. You have a ridge here in the west. We still have this ridge that's centered off the California coast, but it's above normal heights here across the western states. But this flow gradually de-amplifies as the trough lifts out, and we go to a zonal flow with near to above normal heights, maybe a little bit of below normal heights here across the northeast. So during this period, we're going to go to another map. We will have a Pacific front that will move into the west. I don't know why it's jumping around. Move into the west, and then will cause light rain or higher elevation snow. The associated low will track across southern Canada. You can see it right here. And then this will cause gusty winds across the northern plains Tuesday into Wednesday. And then moisture will increase ahead of the boundary in the midweek period as we go into Wednesday. And that will cause some rain across portions of the Mississippi Valley, Ohio, and Tennessee valleys to the Great Lakes. So relatively a quiet period. Then we have more Pacific systems that will move in later in the week, bringing more precipitation to the western states. Now to look at the period for November 21st to the 25th. We have a nearly zonal flow across the nation with near to above normal heights. Miles of good agreement. So for this forecast period, I'm calling for above normal temperatures here, and I'm calling for anomalies of up to 8 degrees above normal, mainly across this area. Could be even higher. Below normal temperatures are forecast for this region here, with anomalies of 4 to 6 degrees below normal. For precipitation, above normal precipitation forecast for this area and here, and the probability of occurrence is near 40%. And then we have below normal precipitation for this area here. Probability of occurrence is 35 to 45%. Now we're going to look at the period for November 26th to the 30th. And still expecting more of some of them are showing a zonal flow here at the beginning, but then the flow gradually amplifies here. And we could have a trough in the east, region the west, and we have a trough that would be over Eastern Europe, you see here, but over Eastern Asia. But you see here, that trough gradually lifts out, so there might be a change further thereafter, this trough leaves. But that leads to a trough in the east. Also, we have a negative NAO during this time, and we also have a negative NAO that favors a trough in the east. So for this forecast period, calling for above normal temperatures here, and I'm calling for anomalies 4 to 10 degrees above normal. Below normal temperatures forecast here, with the anomalies near 2 degrees below normal. I'm being a little conservative because the trough isn't that strong yet in this forecast. And for precipitation, below normal precipitation forecast here, with the probability of occurrence near 40%. The greatest probability is here. And we have above normal precipitation forecast for this region, and the probability of occurrence is 35%. So that's the long range weather forecast discussion for November 13th to the 30th. Thanks for coming to Jim Munley's World of Weather, and have a good day.